Thank you for watching this video on how to use the AR System Log Zipper to collect files for support. Whether you're troubleshooting a problem on your own or working with support, you may want to collect the most relevant log and configuration information. BMC support will often ask you to enable logs for a period of time and then collect those logs as well as the centralized configuration. The easiest and most reliable way to collect all of this is by using the Log Zipper feature of the AR System maintenance utility. When you run the log zipper, it will collect many different logs across the AR system, including Developer Studio logs, Tomcat logs, plugin server, mid-tier, and install logs, plus all the log files that are in the AR Server DB directory. Log Zipper also exports the centralized configuration data into a CSV file. It also creates a CSV file with the list of forms and all of their schema IDs so that it's easier to interpret the SQL logs. You can run the maintenance utility either from a user interface or as a command line. On Windows, it's usually better just to use the user interface. On Linux, unless you already have an X display configured, it's usually easier to run the command line in silent mode. I'll show you how to do both of these. On Windows, simply navigate to your AR System directory, and underneath that, there's another AR System directory. Simply double-click on the AR System Maintenance tool, and it will launch the maintenance utility. Once it's up, you'll see that there's a button for zip logs. Before you run it, take a quick look at the max size. The max size is in megabytes and represents the largest piece of a zip file that will be created. When Log Zipper runs, it uses a zip feature to break the logs up into smaller chunks, and each chunk will be a maximum of the size that you specify here. Once you've done that, you can just simply click on Zip Logs. Now, on the bottom of the screen, you'll get a progress indicator, and you'll see it generating the different components that are going to go into the file, and then you'll finally see that it created the output file. The output file goes into the temp directory, so we can simply go to the %temp % directory, and we'll see the AR System log zip right here. And if we open it up, we'll see that it has 3 directories that contain the different logs and configuration files that will be stored. For example, we can look at program files, BMC software AR System, look in the AR Server DB directory, and you'll see that it has all the star log star files in here. So that's all you need to do to generate the file, and then you simply need to send this file to support. Now let's look at generating the file using Linux operating system. So open up a Linux system here, and we'll change directories to the opt BMC AR system. Then we'll change to the AR system directory again. And here, you'll see we have the AR system maintenance tool.sh file. The exact syntax for this command can be found in the documentation or in the knowledge article. I'll just go ahead and run it. And once it's done, it'll send the output file to the file I specified in the command line, which was var temp arsystem.zip. So now all I need to do on Linux is grab that file and send it to support. And that's all there is to running this utility. Please visit the BMC Remedy and Discovery site on YouTube so that you can see other related videos, and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of future videos. Thank you for watching.